Good morning, DJ. It is Wednesday, February 4th. The time is currently 9:14 a.m. It is a bloody good morning, DJ. Um, it's a good morning, but wake up time wise, it wasn't good for me. Um, well, I was up here. I literally just started talking about my morning. Um, I woke up today at I was up on my 7:45 alarm, but it was mad hard for me to get up. So I didn't get up and move in until like 8:40. So I didn't really get to do any of my morning routine or nothing. Arrived at my desk at 9:13. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. I'm excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to continue to grow and get 1% better in these markets. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News is NFP Wednesday. All right, we have high impact news that came out at 8:30. Another one coming out at 10:30, medium impact news at 10 and 8:15. So we have news today, making it an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today is zero point 0.5 of account size. Actually, I'm gonna adjust that. Um, for pro trend trades, it's going to be 1%, and for counter trend trades, it's going to be 0.5% of the account size. And we still have a max of 1.5. So if I take a loss on a pro trend trade, I'll go down to 0.5. And if I take a loss, I'm done there. Weekly program going to this week is a sell program. Let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything has happened to change that for us here. Always start with dollar, see what dollar's saying. Dollar dropped, right? Took sell side. Now we're seeing a bit of a retracement into this premium array here. So for me, at my current understanding of price action, I'm still risk on dollar, meaning dollar lower. Everything else should be going higher. Obviously, as we're seeing a retracement in dollar, that's why NQ and all of the other stuff are going down. T-bonds still gappy for me. I'm pretty much still waiting for these two relative equal lows to get taken. So I'm still the same on those two. Dow, NQ, M and Q, pretty much, yeah. At my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. I'm anticipating this sell side getting taken, potentially this as well, into the remainder of this inefficiency here. There is a gap here too, so let's see. For now, this is my drawn liquidity, all right, since I'm in a sell program. Um, so that will conclude that portion. All right. Same thing, just a different day.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's get previous day.
You told me where your daily range is at. I
All
marked
right.
mine already, but I want to see where you got yours.
All right. So my high, hold on, say global is 26 027.75.
Okay.
And the low is 25 218.
Okay. Yep.
You go the same? All right. Let me see it. 20 days, 60 days, they're all good for now. All right, so let's get our daily range for the day. Go low to high. So remember I was telling you that I was trying to get away from drawing out all my like internal liquidities.
Mm-hmm.
From my back testing session last night, I kind of figured out a way to do it, but like and not have too many. I'm just gonna do the internal in terms of the direction that I'm looking for, if that makes sense. So if I'm looking for sales, I'm just drawing out the highs and not the lows.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So it's a little bit cleaner then.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been trying to get to, like just clean, clean, clean chart, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now wait.
Let's see.
You took any trades today already or no?
No, I just got here.
Oh.
I really just got here. I'm trying to make myself some tea because I got a little bit of like cough in my throat for the last 24 hours,
Mm-hmm,
and this tea is not that good.
mm-hmm. Is it helping though?
Honestly, last night I drank some tea. It helped a lot. Like this morning, I felt so much better. But um, I just, this type of tea, I'm not a fan.
What kind of tea is it?
It's like a ginger honey
Oh,
tea.
oh, but that shit is good for you though.
It's good for you. It don't taste good though.
That's the whole point. Put some more honey in there. Shit.
Mm.
Hmm.
Ginger just like burns. It's like spicy, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Are you looking at anything right now? You see anything on your charts?
Um, right now, I all I see is I'm on US 30. There was
Hmm.
there was a sell for at 8 o'clock. It hit this order block that formed this bearish order block that formed at 6 a.m. It already rejected that. Um, but I'm actually looking to see if price would come back to give me an entry
Hmm.
around for US 30 around 49,415, but it's already tanking, so I doubt it's gonna come back.
So it's going without you basically.
Yeah, it's already gone basically. But we'll see. It's reaching its low for today at least.
Hmm.
So we'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna go to Nas now. Nas, Nas did the same thing. At 6 a.m. created a bearish imbalance.
On what time frame are you looking at the imbalance?
The 1 hour.
Oh, okay. All right. So these two.
I mean, for me, I'm bearish for sure. Like, I'm definitely gonna be looking for sells, no buys.
Okay.
It's just a matter of where I'm gonna get my entry. So, hmm, we still
What
got
makes what makes you bearish?
market structure.
Okay.
That's what's making me bearish. And then I created two bearish OBs and traded into one already. Looking for it to trade into the next one, and honestly, that would give me a really good clean push to the downside on the lower time frame.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
No, did you?
Hmm.
You eating
No.
your carrots?
I'm yamming on my carrots right now.
Yeah. What are you looking at so far?
So far, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for one side of my daily range to get taken.
Mhm.
Let me know what the program is, and then I execute if I see a
Yeah,
sell.
we have our daily range at the same place, so that's good.
Yeah.
Yep.
So moving forward, I'm gonna try to focus on my continuation trade because those are the trades that I'm here for.
Mm.
And for this whole week, I've been like distracted with like retracement that I'm missing the trade that I'm here for, you know. So I'm gonna tape read those and see how those goes, but I'll be waiting for the continuation setups.
So you're just gonna focus on being on one side of the market instead of trying to catch whatever move.
Exactly. Exactly.
All right.
Exactly. Yeah,
I
yeah, I'm
like that.
good.
I like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think today I'm only looking for sells. If you don't give me no sells, I ain't getting in.
Yep. Good. I like that.
I don't today I do have plan on back testing and doing all of that because last night it was just not possible.
It
I was
happens. It happens.
I
Some
was
nights
again.
I don't do it either. Shit
I mean, yeah.
happens. But mine last night really opened my eyes a lot. So let's see how it translates into the charts live.
Yeah. That's what we're here for.
Hmm.
This is a small 15-minute order block.
With this skinny one right here.
On the 15-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
8:30.
that
Mm.
little small thing,
Mm-hmm.
it's a nice little area to look at. Let's see how it goes. Because it's either from there that I'm gonna look for it to reject or
Hmm.
that 1 hour OB that I said that formed at 6 a.m.
All the way up there.
Yeah, on the one, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Either that or this 15-minute, whichever one. But low risk today. Wednesdays be choppy. I don't. Plus
Yeah.
news, it's a recipe for disaster.
And it's NFP.
Yeah, so for the if I took a trade off of the 1 hour,
Hmm.
definitely do a 50-point stop like we talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
But I would probably do like a 1 to 3, probably most likely, because I do see if it tanks, it's gonna tank hard.
Mm.
That's what
So
I would
you
imagine.
want a higher risk to reward. I mean, well, reward, but same
Yeah.
risk. Yeah. Okay.
So you know how we was talking about and like how you have the fib levels?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Um, I'm thinking if I go in with like let's say 3 contracts.
Yeah.
I'll take once it gets to first TP, we'll see how it goes. Keep it as it is. If it continues to push, then I'll move my entry at break even. My
So
stop loss at break
you're
even.
not gonna take something off at first TP?
Nah, not at first TP. I'll probably take it off at TP2 because I want
Okay.
it to continue pushing. If
Right.
it keeps pushing past my TP2, then I'll leave at least one contract in and just let it run and move stop loss to TP1 so that way, you know.
You've secured something and you've reduced risk. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I think I would approach it today. I want to approach it today.
All right. Well, make sure we write that down and let's collect the data on that.
I gotta get my book.
All right. About to kick off 30 seconds.
Hmm. Let's see what Nas gives us today. Hmm.
Well, we're in that 15-minute area.
Yeah, it hit it slightly.
Oh, the bodies, right? You want the bodies?
I mean for this one it's really small, so I might just do like an area, maybe like 20 points. Yeah, let me see. Let's let Nas do his thing. Let's figure it out.
Yeah. It's about price, so we gap down. All right, taking
You got
delivery to the sell side. So I'm bearish. Now we wait. Your setup was there.
Oh Lord, this is 2 days in a row.
Nice. It's good. It's good. It means you're noticing something right before market opens. So just keep paying attention to that and see. Grab a snapshot of both trades and keep just collecting the data.
Yeah. Wow.
It's good. It's good. Don't be mad at yourself.
I'm not mad. I'm like,
I know the feeling. Like, bitch, I
but
got it in that.
so for me right now, like I didn't take it.
Hmm.
And I didn't take it because the 9:30 candle didn't come back to my entry.
Right. Got
It,
you.
it missed by 2 points.
So where was your entry then?
My entry was at 25,388.
Okay.
And that 9 a.m. can
Why
that
there? Why there? Why 88?
because that's just where I had the like where the order block that I saw.
Hmm.
Like I just had my box was just there in that general like range. The
Got
box
you.
that I had the order block that I had made was only 9 points big.
Mm.
So I was missing it by two, but there was no other, I mean, there's a breaker that I could have marked up, but even so, like if I marked this is just stuff to look at, right?
Yeah, for sure. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for.
Damn,
Yeah.
I'm sick.
So did have you thought about using like the body to the lower wick?
So yeah, I have thought about that.
Yeah.
I
Just
have
to
thought,
give you more opportunities because sometimes it's not gonna go all the way up to the bodies, you know?
especially like on the lower time frame. Like on the higher time frame, I feel like um just the body is enough because right
Yeah.
there sits a lot of
Volume or price or whatever
yeah,
order.
yeah,
Yeah.
whatever you want to call it. Um, I don't know the proper name, so that's why I just said that.
Yeah, nah, you're good. I know what you're trying to say.
Um, but on the lower time frame, like we talked about, like it has a little bit more riskier and it's not 100%. Like rice is just kind of moving.
Right.
So, but it's retracing off of an area that I have a trend line
Hmm.
that this where price is right now, like it has bounced off of this area bullish. One, two, three, four, five, six. Today would be 7 times. So honestly, if it breaks below this, then
Will be a breakup for you.
we're definitely in a full bearish market and I probably look to get in off of there's a 4 hour order block below. I would look to make that into a breaker if price wants to continue tanking. If it keeps rejecting this, then I'm not getting into no buys. I'll just sit on my hands for the day.
That's fair. You got your bias and just stick to it.
Let me see what Dirty's doing. Yeah, Wednesday. I don't know. Wednesday could be shiesty.
Yeah.
Cool.
Wednesday and Tuesdays are usually my good days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays have been my best days.
Yeah. Where you go against Wednesday? The middle of the week?
No, I mean, I feel like every time that I've ever gotten into a trade on a Wednesday, it's just like price action is doing whatever it wants.
Right,
Like other days, yeah, it does whatever it wants, but it's a little slightly more structured
right,
as opposed to
right.
like Wednesday, like this shit just wants to tank and now it's retracing all the way back up. Yeah, me. Ooh, wow. That would have been clean.
You want to go your 1 to 2, yeah? Or 1 to 3, actually.
I actually would have gotten my 1 to 3.
Hmm. Good trade to study then.
Yeah, I took my screenshot. I'm gonna have to go back to it later. And it broke the daily range too.
No, you didn't.
No, no, not previous day.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or
Oh, yeah.
like just today.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dealer range the downside. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Now we going bullish? Nah, that's what we doing. Oh my God. That's not what I wanted to happen. Hmm. Yeah, this like around 25,258.
Hmm.
I've had that area be like it bounced already off of that area before. Rejected it.
Your face.
You right now.
I'm sitting on my hand. Just I'm good.
What about you? You haven't seen anything that you
No, no, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I'm being patient for that sale today.
no. Hmm. Okay. I just entered the lower time frame
Hmm.
on the 1 minute. Hold on, let me see what.
No?
No, I didn't enter. I just like
Oh, you're
let me
looking at it?
I'm looking at it, yeah. And there was a little small order block that formed in the same area, like at 9 o'clock at 9:30.
Yeah, 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 yeah. This one right here.
Yeah, it that little order block, and then it came back to it retraced back into it, and now it's
Hmm.
rejecting it again. But it definitely isn't giving me a 1 to. Well, it could give me a 1 to 2, but with the way that it's moving right now, I'd have to see. Let's see what this 940 candle is gonna hit for.
Just patiently waiting.
Patience, patience pays.
Yeah, especially here. Would have been a fat loss there. Thank God. I just decided to watch that.
Mhm.
Mhm.
What were you looking for? A buyer or seller?
Well, I was watching the retracement trade to see if it would give it to me here, but it was a buy. You know,
Okay.
the thing I'm not supposed to be here for.
Nice move, shiesty.
I like it though. It's volume.
It's
We
good
like-
volume.
Yeah, we like liquidity.
I probably wouldn't. Let's see how this 9:45 candle goes, but I'm gonna wait till after 10 o'clock
Mm-hmm.
since that's when whatever there's another high impact news coming at 10.
Mm-hmm. What 10:30?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think there's medium impact at 10. Yeah.
yeah. On here it says medium, on here it says high. So regardless, it's still
Yeah,
news.
that's news. Yeah.
It's still news. Let me see what 30's doing. What's gold doing? Gold is plummeting.
Oh, yeah, it's tanking.
It's tanking right now on the 5 minute at least. Oh wow. The 9 a.m. candle is on the 1 hour is falling too.
Yeah. Somebody removed the ground and it's just gone. All right. This is a better retracement setup here. So what made this not good and what made this okay? All right.
15 minute, this about to close like a doji.
This one, right? Yeah. And it's about to close in a minute. So
Good morning, sunshine.
Still nothing. Then avoided there. Okay. Well, it came back to that 1 minute. Order block there.
Mm-hmm. It
Back to
did.
the end one.
It would have been a good entry because now it's just pushes. For a 1 to 2, it would have. But I was looking at it from the. It came to it twice.
Yeah.
That would have been a good 1 to 2.
Where would you put your stop in that?
You know how we talked about yesterday, 50 points?
50
It,
points?
50 points from wherever I got my entry.
All right.
And honestly, 50 points was is a lot.
Yeah.
For the first trade, if I had taken it, I would have already obviously hit. But for this one, um, yeah, it's still it didn't even like retrace into my stop loss area at all off of this.
Mhm.
But that 1 minute was precise.
Yeah, that's what they're there for. The lower time frames. They give you that position and a reduced stop loss.
I need your setup. I need to see all like multiple different because
Yeah, for real. It really helps though, being able to watch it on the different time frames and see the relationship between them is really helpful.
yeah,
Not that it's needed, it's just helpful.
yeah, definitely.
You go any training today?
I'm sorry.
Do you have training today?
No, Wednesdays I'm off right now in the winter. We don't
Okay.
have a facility, so today is
It's a chill day.
the trading day. Gotta go grocery shopping, gotta clean the place, pick
Uh-huh.
up,
Yeah, do your regular stuff. Yeah.
gotta gotta order a few things. My cousin's having a gender reveal on Sunday.
Okay.
I'm the gender keeper.
All right. Oh, so you know the gender?
I found out the gender yesterday, so I gotta keep my
Oh,
mouth shut.
that's tough, man.
Yeah, the hardest part. I want to tell everybody what it is.
What's the gender? You can tell me.
No, I can't. Stand us in the other room. Maybe
Uh,
tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. But yeah, so I gotta get a couple things for that.
mm.
I wanna I'm definitely gonna back test today for sure. Definitely gonna back test. What you got planned for today?
Today I only have that rec league that we went to on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
I have two games tonight, and that's pretty much it. I get a full day of trading today, actually. That's the one good thing about today.
That's good.
Yeah.
Damn. I wanna play. Yesterday? No, it wasn't yesterday. It was Monday. Like I got a little bit of a playing time with the older girls, and I was like,
Yeah.
damn, I really want to play.
I need to get back into this. I missed this shit. Yeah, it'd be like that.
I'm actually supposed to play tomorrow night, but
Well, pick up.
It's a mommy league.
Oh, okay. You be skilling them up?
Sometimes. Really, ever since I started coaching, like I would just play a little bit more simple.
Right. Straight to the point. 'Cause you're trying to avoid that injury. Yeah. Yeah.
But I have been a little bit more risky and comfortable, like attacking players and doing
Yeah.
some skills and stuff. So it's nice. If
Yeah.
I had to,
Sometimes I miss playing too, until I play and then something hurts and I'm like, oh, fuck.
so that's it's funny you say that too, because like that happens to me. Like I'll play and then the next day, like I'm aching and I'm like, why am
Yeah.
I playing?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
But I was reading something that it was just like, a lot of professionals that like don't, especially right now in this time period because of the World Cup this summer,
Yeah.
um, if they aren't with a team but they want to try to make that World Cup roster, like all they keep doing is just training like by themselves, like just constantly running, getting touches on the ball, like players who are even on the bench, like at the end of the game, like
Yeah.
if because you run typically like I think it's like 7 miles when you play soccer, like a game,
Yeah.
something like that. So they're like, they try to get that run in um after the game, regardless of anything, and those touches on the ball to just keep them sharp, even if they
Right,
didn't play.
right, 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 right.
So in my mind, I'm like, yo, like I need to incorporate into my everyday once there's no snow on the ground,
Right.
hitting the
Like
turf,
training. Yeah.
hitting the turf and just getting extra touches and like sprints in. So like that way my body just gets accustomed. So when I start playing,
Right.
and
So when you do play, it's like normal, regular. This ain't nothing new to us.
we true to this.
Exactly.
We true to this. Off that 1 minute OB too, if I
Yeah,
had, 1 to 2,
yeah.
TP would have been hit.
All right. And it's still going.
Yeah.
It also occurred inside of your 15-minute OB2 with the wick.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
that would be like an additional confluence, right? Or confirmation in the trade for you.
that was actually a new 15. I didn't have that. I don't think did I have that marked up?
No, but you spoke about it. You said if it came back into it, you'd be interested. And the other one that you talked about was the 1 hour above it. But yeah, you did mention it.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Yeah. What are you gonna do? So maybe 1 hour, 15-minute order block, go into the 1 minute, see if it gives you a confirmation entry. But if
Mm.
you're comfortable just entering straight off the 1 hour and 15-minute order blocks, that works too.
If I wanted to get back in onto this 1 minute,
Yeah.
it would have to just be a wick. Like it cannot close into it. It cannot close because you see how it already wicked it one,
Yeah,
two.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So if it closes into it, then that for me kind of tells me like, price might want to push at this point.
Right.
Hmm. Making
So
it.
so so looking at it now then, so when it whipped it here, would you have entered?
I would have, to be honest with you, if I had seen it.
So would you have waited for the wick to like the candle to close, or as soon as you see a wick and then come and rejecting it?
I would needed to reject it a few times because
Okay, like
because just based off of that wick, when it pushed there, it looked like it was gonna be a strong push. So I would have
yeah,
needed to see it at least wick it like reject it 3 times or
yeah,
2 or 3 times at most to then. But it gave 2 times to get into that trade really.
yeah.
No risk, no Rari.
Mm-hmm.
Take the risk or lose the chance.
For sure.
But so I think that this is another thing. Like I see that and like that interests me. I would take it, but that's the only thing I have going for me. Like I have that I want to sell. My bias is sells, and
Yeah.
that there's a bearish order block, but there's not anything else that really will. into this trade. So just based off of those two things, like I don't feel like that's where I feel like I'm gambling. Like
Yeah,
I'm not 100% comfortable or like not 100% knowledgeable. Like I feel like
yeah,
I need to be able to see one more thing, and I don't think I'm fully educated just yet on what
right,
I could be looking for to make sure that everything is aligned and I feel completely confident. Like I feel 60%, but
right, 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 right,
I need that extra
right.
40%, you know?
I feel that.
So that's where
That is
back
just it's just about seeing it multiple times, right? And understanding that, hey, I know it's gonna take losses. It's not 100%, nothing is 100%, but I've seen it enough time that it pans out at least 40, 50% of the times for me to be profitable, right? So you haven't seen it enough to be to feel confident or comfortable into getting into it. So it's just about, like I said, collecting the data on them.
yeah, yeah.
Because the more data you have to go by, the more confidence you have behind entering a trade. Because I've seen this multiple times, and hey, I know I'm going to take a loss, but I have procedures and protocols for that.
2 + 2 = 4.
Yeah.
Listen,
The
this
math is
is
mathing.
out here, right?
Yeah.
You haven't seen anything that aligns with what you would trade?
Nah, 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 nah. Like, there's a few setups here that I would have took if I didn't see what I saw in my back testing session yesterday. That would have been an L. But from the back testing session, yeah, like when I go back, I'm trying to see what setups did I take? Why did I take them, the setups? Why did it fail? And I try to look at the market hindsight. Where was the clean setups, right?
Mm-hmm.
What would I have seen in the market to be like, hey, this is a clean setup? So that's what I kind of pick up in my back testing session. I try to walk it forward in the market.
Yeah, and applying it.
Yeah, for sure. I liked what I saw yesterday. It was really nice. So I'm excited.
Yeah, patience, patience, patience
Mhm.
pays.
Yep, yep, yep. I was just about waiting. I haven't seen nothing yet. Maybe one thing, but even that in itself, I wasn't 100% on it.
Mhm.
It was a loss anyway, so taking previous daily low.
I'm on MIM right now. Hold on. Yep, it's coming to this 4 hour or OB that I have, bullish OB actually. So let's see how it reacts there. Who is calling me? Hello? I hate spam.
The scammers are active, man.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right, so you know how we talked about like um what would be I get like the protocols, right?
Yeah.
The To how I would approach the whole taking profits and partials and stuff.
Hmm.
Now that I'm seeing it, especially on the lower time frame. I mean, for the first initial trade for the 1 to 3,
Yeah.
I don't think I would have moved my once it hit TP2, move my
Yeah.
stop loss to entry and then just trail it, trail the last, take out 2 contracts and leave 1 contract in, and then
Hmm.
let it kind of run
Yeah.
uh, till it hit my TP3, which it did. If I took the second trade and I got in, let's say on the first initial rejection of that order block,
Yeah.
it hit my TP1, I would have left I would have left it. And then it came right back into entry.
Hmm.
Fine, because I wouldn't have moved my stop loss to
That's
entry.
tough. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
pushed then back past my TP1 and it traded in like it retraced back a little bit towards entry before finally pushing.
Hmm.
So I think that maybe at that point I probably would have moved my stop loss to entry. Like
At
if
TP2, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And then let the trade just play out, however. But it's doing its thing right now.
Yeah. It is. It was a solid trade. Solid sell. So you're strictly risk to reward, right?
Strictly
Um,
risk reward. I think in this case, because like you know how I think I said that I expected price to really tank if it closed below. Oh shit, this is the 10 a.m. candle. Um, if it closed below my trend line. So
mhm.
I had a daily trend line put, tomorrow I'm gonna do the chart on.
I can't hear you. You cut out. The AirPods probably died.
Hello? What's up? Sí, pero también usted tiene hija. No. What's up? Nada aquí viendo el mercado. Ajá. Okay.
Internal. Just what I need. 9 more, 9 less. We're going for clean, DJ. We're going for cleaner price action or cleaner charts.
My fault. My
No,
mom.
you're good. You're good.
No. Oh. Um, I
Risk to
forgot what I was
reward.
saying before.
Risk to reward. I think that's what
Oh,
we're talking about.
yeah. I think risk to reward wise.
Okay, so no, actually, let's go back to this 1 minute trade that you would have took, and
Mhm.
let's try to see how you could have felt comfortable enough to get into it. So before 9:30, you was already obviously looking at this 15-minute order block here as
Yeah.
an area of interest for you to sell, right? At 9:30, we took the dealing range low, which would have confirmed your bearish bias for you, right?
Yeah.
So when price, and obviously inside that 15-minute, we had this 1 minute order block that you were looking at. So I don't know if that would have added anything more like of a confluence. Even the first time I hit it, okay, fair enough. You're like, I want to see it being rejected. It rejected it one time and then came in it again, taking this minor buy side here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
in liquidity with it. So that this would have been a good entry. But if you also wanted to wait for like a market structure shift to be like, okay, yeah, now I know for sure the market is going down, that could be a potential entry for you with your stop at this either this swing high or this swing high.
And I see that even on this right here, what is this might be the
Here,
ooh, let me see, where's your
my chart, my thing is here.
yeah, your thing. So where you have the line with the X at
Yeah,
the bottom,
yeah.
go to the right.
You see this order block is what you're looking at?
No, no, no. I'm not even looking at that order block.
Oh,
But this kind of like this is now using, I guess, like you said, change of structure or change of
yeah.
character. Like it,
Market structure shift.
yeah, it broke. What time was this? This big candle after this big bearish candle right here after right underneath New York AM.
Okay.
To
This
mm,
one,
to your right. One more.
this one, this one. Wait.
Bearish, bearish.
Oh, so your bearish would be the white?
Yeah, bearish. Wait, so which one? Yeah, yeah, bearish.
This one?
No, 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 the other one. Hold on. It's the. Give me a second.
No worries.
Let me look at my chart. The 950 candle.
950, 950, 950. Right here, this one.
Yes. All right. So you see how it- you where you put
Market structure shift.
that market structure shift,
Yeah,
like going across, it broke that market structure, like that line, and it came back
yeah,
and retraced into it, like, and then it just started to plummet.
right.
Like that to me also kind of gives confirmation, but and that honestly too, for me, I don't know, I see that as an entry, but it
Yeah,
different type of strategy.
yeah. I mean, hey, if by looking at price action and paying attention to it, and you find that, hey, I gravitate towards more of this than what I'm currently doing, and this makes much more sense. That's the whole point, right? To find what you see in the market. If this makes sense to you, it makes sense to you, right? It would have been a profitable trade.
Yeah.
You just have to collect the data on it. Really and truly, that's what it's all about. That's the only thing you're missing. You don't have enough data to be like, hey, I've seen this enough time to be comfortable and confident enough to get in that trade. But
Yeah.
if you see it, screenshot it, and pay attention to it in price.
Mm. And for your market structure, you just go based off of wicks or candle closes.
Wicks.
Okay.
So as long as it's trade to and through the swing low, it can be one tick. As long as it goes to it and through it, yeah, that's a market structure shift for me. And it was in line with session bias. Shit, I might be paying attention to them too now.
It's interesting. Babe, how long do you think you're gonna be at the doctor's with Mama? I'm just asking. Huh? Because I can ask.
Mhm.
Mhm. No. Maybe. If you're still there, like late, I could meet you up there. Alright, you gotta go grocery shopping. Together?
Was that rude?
No.
Okay. That's what we gotta do.
Oh, we have to go grocery shopping. I thought you said I.
Oh, no, we have to go grocery shopping, but if you wanna get started on the list. I'll get started on the continent.
Sounds good. So it ran previous days low. And it's flirting with this 4-hour OB.
Thank you for that reminder. 'Cause I wasn't even paying attention to that. OB, let's see. Hold on. Yeah, it's gone.
I'll stop it, start, you know, fucking around too much. Gotta be.
You're looking for that cell?
Yeah. Yeah. Damn it. Why do you tag me in there? Smashed. Thank you very much. Oh, well.
I hate when it does that. Like this
Yeah.
long candle
Like, I
and then
know
the
you
next
took me
one.
out. Just take me out, bro. If it gives me in, I'll be happy. But if it don't, I already accepted that. That's yeah. I'm not taking that.
Hmm. I think at this point, like I would just really sit on my hands like fully for the day. Probably
Yeah.
I'm knocking myself out.
I mean, you got your 1 to 3 already, so you'd be done.
Yeah. So, but just like like watching price right now, like
Yeah.
I saw this on the 1 hour. I saw a order block that was previously used to continue bullish,
Hmm.
but at 9 o'clock it closed below that. So now it could be considered a breaker. But because of the area that we're in with this 4-hour order block from when was that 4 hour? The 4-hour order block that I'm looking at is from January 21st at 2 a.m.
Hmm.
We're like just ranging within between that 1 hour order block and that 4 hour. So for me personally, I would just not even bother because it's like it's too indecisive and I don't want to get
Right.
caught in the wrong side of the market and just take unnecessary L's.
Right.
Like you said, if I had gotten into my initial trade or even the second trade, I'd be done for the morning. But
Yep.
and now that what price is doing, it's not something clear cut. It's just
Right. It
ranging
just makes
between
more sense to just do nothing.
for
Yeah.
me at least.
Yeah. I feel that.
That color looks nice on you.
Thank you. I don't like how it's like not tight though. Like because I wear so many layers now, it just makes me look like I'm 5 months pregnant.
No, babe. No, you don't.
Don't lie.
You don't look 5 months pregnant though.
Need 5 months of odds.
We can go today.
No, it's okay. I'll wait for Valentine's Day. Maybe you can surprise me with some. You think it's too cold if I just put a scarf on? I'm wearing a long sleeve and this one that's a little bit thick. It said that it's 30 something, but it feels like 20 something. I didn't think about rain. I feel like I'll be fine.
I say just take it in your hand. It feels like 19 degrees.
Mm.
Yeah, there is wind up to 21 miles per hour. Welcome to New York, Alice.
Well, I ain't there, so shit. It feels nice outside for me over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's chilly, but like it's the nice kind of chilly.
Nah. I went outside to go get my Amazon package and I was brr.
Froze. You froze off.
Yes.
Better. This is why I said there's no point in fucking dressing cute. I'm gonna look like a black blob going up the road.
You live in New York. What can you do?
Good morning, Alice.
Good morning.
Goodbye, Alice.
Goodbye.
You guys have a great day doing whatever the hell y'all do best.
We will.
All right. Let me
Peace
leave.
out.
Right.
Yeah, probably be done like around 11:15, 11:30.
Okay, well, you can be me at the grocery store. We can go longer.
With her?
No. We'll be right there.
Oh, okay. I hope you know those appointments are like 10 minutes.
Oh, I thought they were longer.
No.
Okay, well, that's fine. I'll just shop at home until I gotta go.
Okay.
I do have to go.
Bye, Felicity.
Bye. You can actually, one more thing. You can add time. And you can go to the gym to add to that.
We're gonna go to the gym together anyways. Oh, Lord.
If you really feel like it, you can use this mat because I'm slipping off. All right, bye, love.
Love you too.
Mhm.
And some cells?
Yeah.
All right, let's look at it. I locked myself out, so I can't take a trade, but
That's good. Can still watch it though.
they didn't take no trade in the group either.
No?
Nah, he was looking for the same cells that I was looking for. Just he, I think he trades like the gaps, like the 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
gap and stuff like that. I don't fully understand what that means or what I'm looking at when he says that. So that's something that I still have to learn. Um, but he was looking for the same cell on NAS that I was looking for. And then on 30, he was looking for a buy. And it gave the buy, but when it came back to entry, it started to push bearish. So
Mm-hmm.
didn't get into the buy, even though now price is buying again back in the direction uh like right off of the entry that he had.
Yeah.
So, but he didn't get into anything. I think everybody else is kind of just doing their own thing too.
Yeah, that's fair. Some days you just there's nothing to do.
Yeah. That's why I said Wednesdays for me sometimes be a little chop, chop, chop.
So you didn't take any trades on your challenge today?
Nah, no trades on the challenge today.
Oh.
Um, I need to I need to set up a paper trade for my trading views so I can,
Yeah.
mess with that. I'm excited though. I got this book uh that is supposed to help with like relaxed concentration
Mm-hmm.
for like peak performance in anything that you do.
Yeah. What's in the book?
It's like what do you mean?
Like, is it like reading? Is it like writing? Like, what you gonna do in the book? Is it
It's
activity?
It's just reading. It seems like an easy read, to be honest with you. It's not even a lot of pages. It's only 160.
Hmm.
And like the font is ginormous. But it's called The Inner Game of Tennis.
In a game of tennis.
Yeah, The Inner Game of
All
Tennis.
right.
There's like reflection on the mental side of tennis, the
Hmm.
discovery of the two selves, trusting yourself, changing your habits, concentration, learning to focus, the meaning of competition.
So it's about tennis, but it's about everything, really and truly.
Yeah, it's about tennis, but you can apply it to anything. Like
Right, right.
I think I found out about this from a basketball player.
Oh, okay.
Um, and he said that like I watch like vlogs and stuff.
Hmm.
Um, and he's like a NBA player, and he was just like this book has really helped him just hone in on like his craft with basketball and like everything that he
Right,
does. So I was like, you know what? If it helps you with basketball, it can help me with anything.
right, 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 right.
So I'm excited to read this.
That's dope. Let me give me the cliff notes when you're done.
I got you. I finally I haven't finished, but I have that book that I had when I was at your house that
Yeah,
I'm almost done. I was on the plane, I read like I think like 80 pages almost.
80 pages.
Yeah, I need like I think I need like 40 left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, golly.
Price is doing his thing.
Yeah, sure is. I'm watching two trades, a retracement trade and the trade I'm in right now.
Hmm.
So the retracement trade would have given me -1 on one entry, but the other one still would be in there.
Yeah.
But once again, those are not my focus. So
But you just see them.
yeah, exactly. I'm watching them. Like, eventually I will take them, but for now, I just want to focus on one side.
Yeah. Oh, volume's picking up. Oh, news is at 9:30.
Yeah, yeah, 10:30.
10:30, sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now you're about to
Yeah.
smash my ass out. Yep, thank you. Cool.
Hmm. Golly.
Mm. All right, so that met that criteria. That's why. Cool. I can fuck with that.
In Florida, those indoor, oh wow. Those indoor facilities, like they be busy or not really?
Some days, depending on what days and what times you go. But yeah, but they be busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna own one like in the future.
Yeah. Me too, for real.
I wanna open one up. But like I've always like wanted to do like not just soccer because like I like other sports too. Like I really love basketball, volleyball, you
Mhm.
name it. We could play any.
I ain't good with my hands like that, but yeah, I could bounce a ball here and there.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I ain't great.
I was every sport. But I want to do like a big complex that you can do like,
All
that
types of sports.
yeah, maybe have like two basketball courts, like two or three soccer fields, a volleyball section that could be turned into like maybe like pickleball or
Right.
tennis.
That's dope. -2 on that retracement set up there.
So if
This
you
is,
had taken it.
yeah, if I had taken it, yeah. On the well, the one first entry. I don't know if I would have took this one because the range is quite big on even on the 15 seconds. This is
Hmm.
a huge range. -1's all the way up there. Don't know about that. Yeah, I'm starting to see like those big ranges, just leave them alone. Leave them alone.
Let them be.
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
All right. Thank you. Give me another cell. We'll take that. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it's the same too. Three, four. All right. Ugh. And 30. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. 225.
Hit your TP1.
Yep.
Good shit.
Break even. Yep. Come on, taking you out.
It's looking good. It's looking good.
Yeah.
But it ain't over till it's over.
Yep. I'm trying to get to break even, so that's when I like kind of relax on the trade, but it is what it is.
So when you journal, do you include like your emotions and stuff like that?
But this is technically supposed to be that side of the journal for me,
Okay.
where I like just see how I'm feeling in the trade, what I'm thinking about, what's going on in my head in the trade, and then the the Evernote thing is just literally for screenshots, and maybe I'll put like a note here and there of something that I noticed in price action that for me to pay attention to. But this is pretty much my way of journaling, you know.
EJ.
Yeah, exactly.
Makes sense.
Yeah,
I like it.
yeah. I'll be on here just talking my shit, you know.
You can still keep talking your shit.
Yeah,
I don't judge. Last
no.
person to judge you.
I'll be on here talking my shit.
That's good though. It's like how long you been doing this?
It's been over a year actually. Over a year, and the transition has just been like incredible. Like now I can go back and watch what the fuck I was doing like 2, 3 years ago and see, how my trading was. But yeah, it's been a minute. I realized, was that last year? I think it was August. I'm not sure. It could have been. Hold on, I can confirm for you. Let's go here. 379 videos, so shit. Hold on. That's not what I want to do. Oh, actually, yeah, it is what I want to do. No. Oh, 382 videos. What was the first one? Hush, hush, hush. Thank you very much. Break even me, please. Come on, TradingView. It's clearly run it. Thank you. 200. Yeah, October of 24. That was the first ever one.
October 24, so it's definitely been over a year and
Yeah,
like
yeah,
4 months. That's good though. That's a lot of data then.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And that's why I feel like I'm at where I'm at right now, which I like. So I just put in that work, you know?
Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Keep showing up.
Yep, yep.
Keep showing up.
Come on, let's smash that external liquidity there. You know you want to.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now,
Yeah.
and if it breaks this, we're looking at a deep, 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 deep sell.
Yeah, well, below price for me, I have 20-day low. So this would be my draw on liquidity here, this fat ass line.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It is pretty low though.
Yeah.
I see where you got it.
Yeah. Is
So,
20 days looking back, the highest high and the lowest low, that's also a range for me too.
and you update that every day, or is that like an indicator?
Eh, No, I update that every day if it requires me. I do have an indicator that shows it here, but I update the lines. It doesn't do the lines. I update the lines on a daily basis if I need to, right? Because some days we're in the range and I don't need to change it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I do have an indicator, well, an indicator for that. It's part of my this thing has turned me into like a coder, right? I coded I coded my own indicators and shit.
Yeah. Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It said, hell no, I'm done.
Nah, I think see how it acts right there.
Yep. Thank you very much. That was it. Two partials, and it took me out at what, almost break even. What was that loss there? Oh, +1. All right, we'll take that.
Oh my God. Give me a second.
Loss is not as good. All right, so fair trade. I think I managed it as I was supposed to. If it continues, right? It is what it is. Nothing here. 1 minute, maybe. Fair retracement, -2. I'm content with that. If those two trades were the trades I took, content, this fair loss. Nothing wrong with that. Only thing promised to me is losses, right, DJ? Can close this. Fair, 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 fair. Mm. Mm. So you locked yourself out of your account, right?
I
For
did.
for the day? Ooh, data banked, data banked. Of course.
All right, we back.
All right. You
Did you
good?
take did you take another trade?
No, but I'm watching this sell here. It would have given me -1 already.
Okay.
So when it came to take me out for break even, it essentially gave me another opportunity to get back in. So I like those trades, even though it took me out, but still, at least it
Yeah.
said, jump back on board. The train is back at your station.
It just reversed just to pick you up.
Yeah, exactly. For real.
I felt that. I felt that. It's good. It's good.
Mhm.
This morning, everybody's calling me this morning.
Yeah, I see that.
Like, what's going on?
Mhm. So do you mainly speak like Spanish with your family members or in
With my mother, yes. With my father, I mean, I could speak both. They both equally understand English. My dad a
Mhm.
little bit better.
Yeah,
My dad speaks English a little bit more than my mom does.
right,
But they will speak to us mostly in Spanish.
right,
So
right,
like
right.
for me, it really truly depends on if I'm trying to get my point across or if I'm
Yeah.
just
If you're trying to get your point across, we say in Spanish
oh
or
yeah,
you
of course.
oh so she feels it, right? They feel it.
It's different. Like when if I tell my mother something in Spanish, like, it's gonna hit her different than if I say it in English. Like
Right,
if
right.
I
She's like,
tell her
what you been saying to me?
exactly. So, but yeah, that's
Mhm.
Spanish. I mean, I try to speak Spanish whenever I can now, because like being with, like Savannah and like my friends, they don't really speak Spanish.
Right,
Uh,
right, right, right.
we speak obviously English. And when I worked in like I used to work in like FedEx and like different types of places where there was Spanish speakers.
Yeah.
So I would speak to them in Spanish when we were there because, sometimes we talking shit and we don't want nobody to
Yeah.
understand
No,
us.
no, but that's good though. I don't have anybody to speak my native tongue with, so I'm like I feel like I'm losing. Like I understand it, but speaking it wise is tough, and I'm trying to like get into speaking it again, but I just need to call people back home and talk to them more often.
Is your family mostly in London or
Well, my immediate family is in London, but
okay.
like the extended part of the family, they're back in Ghana.
Mm.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah.
what's the native language there?
Well, there's a few, but I speak Twi. It's spelled TWI.
TWI. Okay.
Yeah, 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 yeah. But
And
it's
you
tough,
learned
man.
that you learned that from being young?
Yeah, yeah. But now it's disappearing, so it's lacking.
When you talk to your mom, that's how do you talk to her like that, or you talk to her in English?
I go in and out. If I can't say it in my native language, I'll say in English. So I try to say it in my language, but like sometimes some words are just I don't know how to say it.
Yeah. Have you met other people like in Florida that are from Ghana or?
Like I would say like 0.5% really. Like there's a Ghanaian restaurant that we go to. The people there are from Ghana. That's pretty much the most Ghanaian folks I've met since being here, really and truly. I met one Ghanaian lady randomly, but that's about it. Yeah, there's not much that I've found out here anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. In New York, there's a bunch of them. Sure.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, yeah. Like my mom's like brother and sister or part or whatever they are. There's some of them are in New York, so I know there's a bunch of them there.
Yeah, I mean, in here you get a little bit of everything, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Like I've never heard the term coolie as much as I did this weekend when I was
There's not enough coolie girls out there.
yeah, I've never heard that word like as much as I heard it when I was with you guys. So like that was fun, but there's plenty of them here.
Yeah. And
Plenty.
you just happened to found the one in South Florida, right?
I happen to have one in Southwood, originally from where I'm from.
Yeah, 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 yeah. So she claims.
That's hilarious. We literally we were born in the same hospital.
Oh, yeah?
That to me was just outrageous.
Mind blown.
Yeah,
Circle, you know?
it is
Yeah.
what it is. Brought her back.
Mhm.
Now we gonna go back.
Yeah, for real.
I want to. I really do. I think we talked about that. But like yesterday when I was in the office, I was talking to my bosses about it, and I didn't realize like the move that they made was such a big move
Mhm.
that I would be silly to just pick up and leave low
Right,
key,
right, right, right,
but also like what is it worth it? Or is like, a quality of life worth it?
right, 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 right.
Some
A
things to
lot, a lot, a lot to like weigh and see which one, makes sense.
yeah, I mean, I wish it was easy, but like they make it very hard to want to leave what's being built because it's like,
Yeah,
if I'm gonna go anywhere else, I'm not building. And if I'm building, it's obviously from scratch. Like I've been going
yeah,
at
yeah,
for 5 years with them, so trying to see it out as much as I can.
yeah, 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 yeah. Be
Like,
part of something, rather than starting from scratch.
yo, oh,
You'll figure it out, man.
it's
You can
either
get
that or taking flights to Florida every other.
right, right, right. Soon you'll be getting payouts, so you can do whatever the fuck you want to do.
That's literally what I'm looking forward to. I mean,
Yeah,
so like with prop firms, like I really want to try to take advantage of them. I was reading something that it was like, you shouldn't just rely on prop firms, like,
yep,
but
yep,
but always use them to your advantage. Like as much as
yep.
they
That's
are
it.
not for the trader, like
They're
if
available, right? They give you the opportunity to trade, even though it's simulated with capital that you don't really have. Yeah, no, I agree. Like I said, I'm gonna use them as my foundation to get payouts and branch out on my own. But obviously, while they're there, I'm still gonna be taking advantage of them.
yeah, I think
We don't
that's
know.
gonna be that'll be my approach as well.
Yeah, we don't know how long we're gonna have them for.
No, I mean if I can make an account that's 50K, then I'll always trade those prop firm accounts, but I'm definitely trading my live, you know?
Yep, for sure. Those would be like A+ setups only on that account for sure. And then I'll do my retracements shit on my funded accounts. Uh,
Yep. Until we get to that point where like we build ourselves enough where maybe now we have even 100K account.
yeah,
With 100K, and as long as, we're not risking crazy amounts.
yeah. The upside will take care of itself.
Yep. Yep.
Wha- Are you ready to end your morning session?
I am ready to end my morning session.
All right, let's do a trade performance review. I'll go and then you go. What I did well today is that I showed up, all right, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons that I'll take into my next trading day, next trading session, gained a better understanding of my model and what I'm looking for in price action. I kind of actually like this way of trading more. I'm happy that I stayed focused on what I was here for instead of being distracted like I had been previously in this week. So ended up missing the trades I was here for. So I would say that's what I did well today. What about you?
I think what I did well today was, like you said, showing up, getting 1% better, learning, realizing, um, and sitting on my hands.
Right.
I think
That is
that's
the hardest part.
that's number one, sitting on my hands,
Yeah,
not getting into anything just off of impulse, and really questioning why this made sense to in the future be able to take those trades with confidence.
right. I love that. That's good. Where I fell short today, I'll put my hands up, would be my wake up time and not not getting my morning routine in. Okay. Usually I want to be up like around 7:45. So I have enough time to get my morning routine and come to the desk ready to go. But hey, this is one of those days where I fell short on that part. Chart wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere because I was really just focused on what I was here to do. So that would be it for me on where I fell short today. What about you?
I think I fell short.
If you
Not that
didn't fall short
specific.
anywhere, then you didn't fall short anywhere. But if you did, yeah, share it.
No, I think I definitely feel like I fell short in not having come prepared fully.
Right,
Um, so that also equals to, being confident. Like if I
right,
feel like I prepared myself well enough prior to coming to the charts, I would
yeah,
have been confident in taking those trades because it gave me multiple opportunities. I just wasn't, you know, willing to pull the trigger. And again,
right,
it's because of confidence. So, that's where I think I fell short. It was not having back tested and, you building up on myself.
yeah, fair. And last one, how we can improve for next day, next trading session. For me, will be keep showing up, keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. All right. Oh, -2 getting smashed here. Thank you very much. We'll be at break even there. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses, all right, deter me from my model. I've collected enough data to know that it's gonna win more times than it's gonna lose. It's just about me managing how much I lose and controlling the risk. Yeah, so that would be it for me.
I guess.
For you,
What was the question again?
what can you do to improve for the next trading session or trading day?
Prepare. Come in prepared. Uh, actually apply myself today and dedicate an hour or two
Yeah,
to prepare myself for tomorrow and set myself with a proper system on how I'm going to approach, not just trading, but everyday life, how, you know.
yeah, for sure. And we took external liquidity there. So these two trades were the trades that I'm here for. All right. And I'm happy and pleased I was able to be in one and I was able to witness the other one. Okay, so I'll take that. I'm gonna backtest that today and see. I'm seeing a trend and I like what I'm seeing just by this week alone. And I'm happy with where I'm at in price, really and truly. So for you, I would say get that process written down. Like when you come into the market, what's the first thing you're doing? What's the next thing? Then what you're looking for, like and just follow that moving forward and see, collect the data and see what needs to be adjusted, what you need to add, what you need to take away, pretty much. But yeah, solid morning for me here. Solid. I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll take it. Very happy with that. All right, DJ, that's it from us here today. All right, you know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck. You can do a sign out too, you know. Good luck, good trading. Happy
Kudos.
hunting. There you go.